Alright, people of YouTube, I'm making a video of my Olympia typewriter. I believe this is an SM3 or SM4. It's the one that allows setting additional tabs. And I just bought this typewriter, in fact got it in the mail today. And I noticed the problem with it, that was as I typed, I would hit a stop towards the middle of the carriage. And I've been playing around with it, and that's the reason why I'm making the video. But it would get stuck right there. Right now I cannot get it to get stuck anymore, but you can see as I do the carriage return, it hits a stop right there where it really shouldn't. And if I lift it slightly, it will continue to go. And so I sent an email to the seller, and he sent me the solution in a voicemail. And I just tried it, and I wanted to do this video so that everybody would know what that problem is about. As you can see, even as the carriage is hitting the side of the machine, it left a couple little marks here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but there's a little mark here, and then there was a little, even a stronger mark here on this side, where it's been striking the side of the machine as the carriage comes through there. And that's the little piece that has been striking the side of the machine. And I was wondering, well, what the heck? And I saw some videos that said that, you know, if you change the washers at the bottom of the machine, that it would fix them. But my seller gave me a much better and easier fix. And so there are these little set screws here with this tab at the back of the machine. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to push the caps. This raises the carriage, which is the offending piece. And that just gives me a little bit of room to loosen these two screws here. And this tab is there for this adjustment actually. And so if you look at it from the side, what happens is that as I move it forwards, that's going to hit the carriage a little sooner and not allow it to come down as far. And if you look, there's allowance in that tab to slide back and forth. And I found that right around there was a good setting for me. So I've been playing with this for a little bit, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this. Hard to do with only one hand and holding the phone, but I'm going to move this forward just a little bit. Just where I start seeing that adjustment on this side is right around where I want it. So I'm going to do a little bit of that adjustment. Okay. That's more or less where I want it. And I'm going to do this other one as well. And I'm going to do the other side as well. And I'm just going to loosen this. Loosen one side. Bring it up just ever so slightly. It's not a big adjustment that it needs, and you probably do want to let it come down, otherwise the lower caps would end up riding high on the line. So anyway, after I did this adjustment, I just let the carriage come back down. And there it goes, it's not striking anything anymore. Seems to be doing just fine now. No more carriage striking the side of the machine anywhere. So that's it. I'm going to lock it. And it's working the way it's supposed to. I hope this helps you out.